Uphill?
Oh.
That's okay, we'll talk about it later.
A second. Okay, let's do one last example, then I'll give you time to work on these. So 2x minus y equals 3. Now there's a couple like these on the homework or on the packet. What makes this equation different? Yeah, x and y are on the same side. It's not y equals. So I want to get y alone. So as I look at this, don't overthink this. All I'm saying when I say I want to get y alone, okay, y is on the left side, and I want to get rid of everything else that is on the left side with y. So what things do I want to get rid of on the left side? The 2x, which they have to stay together because they're multiplying, and the what? Negative in front of the y. Which one do I get rid of first, the 2x or the negative? The 2x, because it's furthest away. If that is a positive 2x, how do I move that over? No? Because I'm keeping it together.
You add it?
It's already positive.
You subtract it.
Minus 2x. Okay? So if I want to move that 2x over to the other side, the opposite of a positive 2x, because you have to keep it together, is a negative 2x. So I subtract 2x from both sides. I see this mistake all the time. You still have the negative in front of the y. That negative in front of the y did not go anywhere. It's still there. The 2x's cancel.
You gotta divide that.
No, you just write it. You can't actually do 3 minus 2x because the 3 doesn't have an x, like we talked about last unit.
You leave it.
So you just leave it as 3 minus 2x.
So
Don't overthink this. Yeah. So don't overthink. 3 minus 2x. I can't combine it. 3 doesn't have an x, so you just literally write it out. Now, this negative in front of the y, what do I do to get rid of that negative in front of the y? Divide by negative 1. A negative in front is the same as multiplying by a negative 1. So the opposite of multiplying by negative 1 is dividing by negative 1. Dividing by negative 1 just does what? Yeah, switches the sign. So negative 3x plus 2x. Any questions on that one? Okay, let's graph it real quick. I don't have fractions, so my 3 easiest x values would be what?
Negative 1.
Yeah. If I plug in negative 1, I'm just going to do this one in my head. If I plug in negative 1 for x, I'm going to get back what for y? 2 times negative 1? Negative 3 minus 2. Negative 5. Yeah, if I plug in 0, negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3. And if I plug in 1, 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Like I said, they should follow the same pattern, adding 2 each time. And if I graph this real quick, negative 1, negative 5. 0, negative 3. And 1, negative 1. Something like that. Okay. Any questions on that one? No. Okay, good. So go ahead and get out the Unit 2 homework. Let me get that for you if you don't have that yet.